Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to view your referral code in the latest 2025 version of the GCash app. Step 1. Open your GCash app and log in. Step 2. On the dashboard, scroll down and look for the Invite Friends section or Referral Program and then tap it. Step 3. If not visible, tap Profile and then scroll and select Promos or Refer and Earn. Step 4. You will now see your unique referral code along with shareable links. Step 5. Tap the copy or share button to send it to your friends via chat or social media. Step 6. You will earn rewards when your referred user sign ups and completes the required transactions. Make sure that your GCash account is fully verified to access the referral program. Thank you for watching. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.